I first heard about the partnership with vacheron Constantin a few months ago, and it was put to me that there might be a chance to record some pretty special, unique watches.
When I heard that we will record the sound of our chiming watches at Abbey Studios, I got very excited.
It's an amazingly detailed process with specialist rooms for specialist tasks. Goes into creating each tiny component. It's all done to the highest quality, even if it's hidden behind the watch faces. Of course, that's talking from a kind of mechanical aspect of the components, but then you've got the artistic aspect where you've got the beautiful watch faces, some of which are simple, right down to the amazing enamel work and engraving work that goes on. It was a surprise to me that there were specialist watches that had the chimes in them, and then they are taking months to prepare, and just seeing the mechanisms in as they're working, it's a wonder to behold. What am I going to take home from here is just the amazing defined process of watchmaking, the work and love that goes into making these timepieces.
Abbey Studios is famous for their tradition and excellence in the domain of sound. I was impatient to get there. You can feel the history of the place and the creative energy that flows there.
When we're doing any sort of recording session, you have to think about what you want the end result to be.
When I discovered the drill setup, I felt touched. I realized how much attention was drawn to getting the sound of recording for our timepieces perfectly right.
We want to have the most representative version of the chimes that can be heard clearly, precisely, and captures all the detail and beauty and depth of each chime. Some of them were quite different in tone and volume and pitch because each watchmaker has a unique stamp. Each time it's uniquely different. That there are so many parallels, synergies. There's a massive respect for each other's world in that we're trying to create the utmost kind of level of professionalism and detail and craft.
To have our timepieces in such an amazing place like Abbey Road was really an honor. To see how much attention everybody is drew to our work in watchmaking made me really proud. They have the same passion for their work as we do at vacheron Constantin. That's the best things as a souvenir that I will take back. The passion that we shared while chasing the sound of time.